BFGoodrich Advantage versus Continental PremiumContact 7. A battle in touring summer segment. BFGoodrich Advantage, backed by Michelin, goes head-to-head with Continental's flagship PremiumContact 7. Comfort or performance? Challenger or benchmark? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the BFGoodrich Advantage set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from Autobuild's 2024 summer tyre tests. Let's start with wet safety. In wet braking, the Continental stops in just 40.3 meters. The BFGoodrich, 45.4 meters. That's a 5.1 meter difference, or 13% shorter for the Continental. On the handling cost, Continental again leads with a lap speed of 75.5 km per hour, 2 km per hour faster than BFGoodrich, a 3% edge in grip. Even in straight line aquaplaning, Continental manages at 82.5 km per hour versus BFGoodrich 81.4, still a 1% advantage. When the roads get slippery, Continental is just more confident and safer. What about dry roads? The PremiumContact 7 again shines. It stops in 35.4 meters, 2 meters shorter than the Advantage. That's a 6% difference in your favor. Dry handling is tighter too, 115.5 km per hour versus 114.9 km per hour. A slight but measurable 1% improvement for Continental. How about mileage? The Continental is expected to last 30,750 km, 5,000 more than BFGoodrich. That's a 19% longer in lifespan. But the BFGoodrich hits back in comfort. It's 0.8 decibel quieter, a 1% edge in noise. And in rolling resistance, it records a coefficient value of 7.73 versus 8.08 for Continental, a 4% more efficient for BFGoodrich. When it comes to pricing, the BFGoodrich Advantage is 44% cheaper than the PremiumContact 7 in the same 205/55R16 size. But is that cost saving worth the trade-off in safety and mileage? In summary, the Continental PremiumContact 7 is the clear winner. It brakes shorter, handles better, and lasts significantly longer. On the other hand, the BFGoodrich Advantage is a solid value option with decent comfort and efficiency.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.